I turned this in an actual website. But before I talk about this, let's talk about the most recent update that Google Bard got. So some of the major updates to Google Bard include new language support, where it is now available in 40 new languages, including Arabic, Chinese, German, Hindi, Spanish, and even more. It can not only understand the language, but can also respond back in these languages with a text-to-speech capability. The next one is pinned and recent threads. So now you can pick up where you left off, or it holds records of past conversations, which comes in very handy when you want to continue or use this later in your workflow. These conversations can also be shared. You can share a part of a response or the entire conversation with your friends. So you can also modify Bard's responses with up to 5 new options, which allows the user to change between simpler, longer, shorter, more professional, or even more casual responses. And finally, Google Lens in Bard. For this demonstration purpose, I drew a joke website idea like Greg Brockman did at the showcase for GPT-4, and I asked Bard to convert this mock-up idea into a fully working website, and it actually worked when I pasted this into an HTML document. Turning a hand-drawn sketch into a website was so fascinating. This means there's so much potential to be unlocked in the future, and let's see what can be unfolded by these AI competitors and the big ones in the game like OpenAI. Anyways, if you want to follow more contents like this, make sure to follow me, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next one.